Hey folks, Shaw here with Royal Tiger Imports, and today I'm back with another quick video to show off some more of the AK parts kits that we just got in. We just got in a few crates worth that you see behind me of all of the AK parts kits of various manufacturers from Ethiopia. So that includes some Polish radom, which is what we have in front here, as well as some other ones like Hungarian, ET97 kits. We got in another small handful of those. Various European manufacturers is what we're mostly working with. And speaking of European manufacturers, let's take a look at what we got up close here. So we've already uncrated one of these boxes off camera, and we've got some of the Polish Underfolder AKs in particular. This is new to us at this current time. This is not one that we've offered in the past. This in particular is a 1987. You can see it's a Circle 11 Polish standard underfolder AKM. You can see its unique rear sight. Again, it's pretty standard when it comes to an AK rear sight, but that being said, it does have its own Battle Zero marking of S. And then this particular one has the underfolder stock. You can notice that this is the stamped variety that you'll see on the Polish ones, as well as some of the other smaller components here. You can see in particular, it's got the underfolder mechanism components. That particular design is a little more specific to a Polish one. You will see country by country, the underfolder mechanisms do vary slightly. Although some countries, like for example, Romania and the Russian ones, share some of the very, very similar designs. Let's take a closer look at one of these here. As you'll notice in front of me, some of them have the underfolder stock, some do not. So everything will be disclosed as to what comes with what. This one is, of course, also a Polish Circle 11. And you can actually see on this one, this has the later style of gas block. So you can see that this is actually what appears to be a casted gas block, or a cast gas block. A little bit of a different design there. Also, the handguard retainer is effectively functionally the same, but it is manufactured slightly different. And you can see, while this one does not have the stock components, this has the internal components of the receiver. So your hammer, trigger, disconnector, safety, etc. Every single one of them has the trigger guard and safety stop. It just depends on, some of them came in with the underfolder components, some did not. And finally, let's take another look at a more complete one here. You can see this one is in a little better shape overall. Of course, you see the clear factory markings. That particular one is a 1984. And again, you can also see your rear sight there. As I mentioned, some of them have stocks. The condition varies, of course, and all of your small components. So you've got your receiver internals as well as the underfolder mechanism. It's worth noting the bores on these, they appear to be almost all chrome lined. Some of them are in really nice shape. Some are pretty worn out. It just varies. A lot of these Ethiopian guns, or in the property of Ethiopian forces, saw very significant use, and some of them didn't see as significant use. So we will have a hand select bore on these, and there are many of them that are going to be great shooters. Some of them, unfortunately, the bores are just so shot that they will need a new barrel. So everything will be certainly disclosed, and be certain to check it out. So that's about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.